video, I'm going to be talking about New Year's resolutions. Now, is it tradition to set New Year's resolutions on New Year's Day, New Year's Eve? We're now into our 6th month. How is your New Year's resolution going? Now, a few of us set a New Year's resolution to go to the gym, eat healthily, go for a walk, or whatever it might be. How's that New Year's resolution going? Are you still following that plan? Or have you quit? Because time and time again, we get into this habit of setting a New Year's resolution, and it lasts for about 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, and then it slowly declines. And people get trapped in this vicious cycle. Does that sound familiar to you? So, do you think it would be a good idea to do something differently? Because basically, what are we doing? Installing ourselves up for failure. Have we got that detailed plan written down for that New Year's resolution? It could still be done on New Year. And I think that is your key to your success, is having those steps. Because the other reason people are afraid of doing that as well is because they've failed at their New Year's resolution. They have got that fear of failure. However, that can be unlearned. You know, we can unlearn the behaviors, and maybe by investing in a good coach could also help you instead of you struggling on your own, because the coach will start with your end in mind. What do you want to achieve? What do you want to achieve? What did you want to achieve at the start of this year? You still got time to invest in a coach who can start with your end in mind and help you get those steps in place and be working with you to achieve your success. Because do you know what? When I work with my clients, I go on that journey with them. I really do go on that journey with them, whether that is to cut down on the unhealthy foods. I go on that journey with them. Whether it's to start up a new business, I've helped people, especially during lockdown, that have been made unemployed. I've helped them write down the skills that they can do. And they've thought, why not set up my own business? At least with your own business, nobody can make you redundant, because You are the driver in your business. You're not the passenger. You learn how to fish instead of being given your tea. And I think that is the difference. So if you want to change, my advice is find a good coach that can help you on your journey to success. Have a great day, and I will catch up with you on my next video where I'll be talking about the comfort zone. Bye-bye.